Hey guys, welcome back to 天天 Chinese. 欢迎大家回到天天中文。So, did you review what we learned last time? 上节课的内容你都复习了吗？ Do you still remember how to ask for an appointment with somebody? 你还记得怎么样去约别人吗？ Okay, if you don't remember, go check my previous lessons. 如果你都忘了，记得去复习我前面的课程。Okay, so in today's lesson, we are going to learn something about meeting. 在这节课里，我们要学会一些关于开会会用到的单词和句子。Okay, so let's say I'm going to have a meeting. 我马上要开会了。I'm not available right now. 我现在没有空。Okay, many useful sentences that you can learn for today. Okay, if you are ready, let's get started. Okay, let's start our lesson 7. 好，接下来我们开始第7课的学习。So this lesson we are going to learn the meeting. 我们要学关于会议和开会相关的内容。Okay, so first one, at the meeting, 开会 okay, and the meeting, 会议 okay, meeting, 会议 okay, have a meeting, 开会 okay, so first one, I'm here 我来这我来这 or I come here 来 means come come 的意思来 okay, so how about go means 去 okay, 去 so let's make an example. I'm here for a meeting. 我来这儿开会 I'm here for a meeting. I go to a meeting. 我去开会 OK 我去开会 OK I'm going to have a meeting. 我去开会 OK so first one on business OK 谈生意 OK 谈生意like the business chat 做生意上面的一些沟通 OK 谈合作 is cooperation cooperation 谈生意 for business for cooperation 谈合作谈 means to talk to discuss to talk okay next one for a conference conference 会议 or 研讨会研讨会 conference so here 出席means join or participate there is another vocabulary for the same meaning. We can also say 参加会议 or 出席会议参加会议 Okay, next one for a meeting 出席会议 So here conference is the 研讨会 So the general meeting is 会议 Okay, 出席研讨会出席会议 or 参加研讨会参加会议 Okay, next one I have a meeting with somebody. Okay, so 我和谁 For example, 我和 Tom 有个会议 Okay, I have a meeting with Tom. Okay, so let's move on. About the time at 2 o'clock 在2点 Okay, 在2点 Okay, so 2 o'clock. So let's make a sentence. 我们来造一个句子。I have a meeting with Tom at 2 o'clock. Okay, so how do you say that in Chinese? 这一句话怎么说呢？我和 Tom 在下午2点有个会议I have a meeting with Tom at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. 我和 Tom 在下午2点有个会议 Or also you can say 我下午2点要和 Tom 一起开会 OK 一起开会 means have a meeting together 开会have a meeting OK 我下午2点要和 Tom 一起开会 OK so 有个会议 have a meeting and we can also use this one 开会have a meeting OK so next one I'm sorry I'm late 对不起 我迟到了啊 I'm sorry, I'm late. 不好意思，我迟到了啊 So let's make an excuse. 我们来想个借口怎么说啊？对不起，我迟到了 I'm sorry, I'm late. 啊，因为堵车啊 traffic jam 啊，堵车 OK 堵车，因为堵车我迟到了，不好意思 OK I'm sorry OK next one Here is my card OK这是我的名片 OK so do you still remember last lesson we learned business card 啊名片 so 这是 Here is 这是我的名片啊这是我的名片 OK or how do you say I have your business card 我有你的名片 I have your business card so 你的 means your okay 你的 your business card okay next one if you want to say to ask do you have a business card do you have business card or do you bring your business card you can say 你有名片吗do you have business card or 你带名片了吗带 means bring or do you bring business cards bring OK 你有名片吗你带名片了吗 OK 好 next one It's a pleasure to meet you 很高兴见到你 OK so this one is like not very formal one 很高兴见到你 if you want to say in a very polite way 想要用非常礼貌或者是尊敬的方式来说这句话很荣幸 pleasure 很荣幸认识你It's pleasure to know you to meet you 很荣幸 It's very respectful It's very polite Okay 很荣幸 Okay let's see there are two vocabulary here First one fax machine 传真机fax 传真printer 打印机printer and also the copy machine copy 复印机copy machine copy 复印 is copy print is 打印 okay so the verb print and the verb copy 复印 okay 复印机打印机 okay so let's say some sentences so if you want to make an appointment with a boss boss is 老板 okay boss okay so you make a phone call with the boss secretary is 秘书 secretary 秘书打电话预约make a phone call make an appointment by using a phone call 打电话预约 okay so you may hear do you have an appointment 你有预约吗do you have an appointment 约会appointment 预约 okay do you have appointment okay with whom 和谁和谁do you have appointment 和谁你和谁预约的who do you make an appointment with okay 好 at what time 在什么时候make an appointment at what time在什么时候预约的 okay let's make a sentence do you have appointment 你有预约吗是的 yes I have 我有预约 okay 和谁预约的I make an appointment with Secretary Wang okay 我和王秘书预约的So I make an appointment with Secretary Wang okay 在什么时候我们约好下午2点开会 We make an appointment like 2 o'clock have a meeting okay 我们约好下午2点开会 okay so this is a short conversation okay so pay attention to the questions okay 注意这一些关于预约的句子 okay to ask about when to ask about whom okay 好 Let's go through one more time. 我们重新再来把这个部分来读一遍。So read after me and pay attention to the pronunciation. 注意发音。OK， 第一个会议 meeting 开会 also have a meeting. On business 谈生意 for a conference 出席研讨会 for a meeting 出席会议 I have a meeting with 我和谁有个约会 or 有个会议 at 2 o'clock 在2点 I'm sorry I'm late 对不起我迟到了 Here is my card 这是我的名片 It's a pleasure to meet you 很高兴见到你 Fax machine 传真机 Printer 打印机 Okay, let's see the dialogue. 你有预约吗 Do you have an appointment? 是的，我有预约 Yes, I have appointment. 和谁？你和谁预约的 With whom? 我和王秘书预约的 I made an appointment with Secretary Wang. 在什么时候我们约好下午2点开会We make an appointment to have a meeting at 2 p.m. Okay, so that's all for today's lesson. Did you get it? 这就是今天课程的内容，你都学会了吗 So next time when you see me, you can give me your business card. 下次你见到我的时候，你就可以给我你的名片 And we can also have a meeting together. 我们也可以一起开会。Okay, so remember to practice after the class. 记得课后一定要复习。And if you think this video is useful, please give me a like. And also you can buy me a coffee to support me. 如果你觉得这一节课对你有帮助的话，记得分享给你的朋友。Thank you very much. 非常感谢。And if you want to book a 101 personalized course with me, go check my Fiverr page. 如果你想要和我进行1对1的汉语口语训练 I will be glad to talk with you. 我会很开心和你一起聊天 See you in my class. So that's all for today. And I will see you guys next class. 我们下节课见。Bye.